Hi everyone! Today I'll show you exactly how to write effective prompts and transform them into masterpieces using StarryAI. Let's dive in. First, you need to start with a clear idea. Before typing anything, ask yourself, what do I want to create? Like this example prompt here. Then build a strong prompt. Break your idea down into parts like your subject, style, details, and lightings. This helps the AI to understand what to draw and how to draw it. Then choose the right model. Pick the Stereo AI style that fits your vibe. The Altair's for concept art and anime, Orion's for photorealistic scenes, and Argo for dreamy and painterly looks. Run your prompt in different models and compare the result. And you can now refine the negative prompts. If you want to avoid the certain things, you can now add a negative prompt. This tells the AI to avoid this in your images. Then click Create and wait for its magic. You can also upscale the image or rerun same prompt for variations. Generate and upscale. And there you go. You've just turned words into masterpiece. This is the secret. Clear prompt plus choosing the right model is equal to amazing AI art. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI art hacks. Thanks for watching.